Guess what I'm drinking? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think I'm drinking. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Okay, I will spoil it for you. I am obviously having my Zimbabwe tea. Oh, I have it every single day. The benefits are absolutely incredible. Honestly, I love it. So today we are having some Umfushwa in Ndebele, which means translates into dried green vegetables. So this is actually cowpea leaves, which are very high in protein. Actually, cowpeas are one of the beans that are known to be very high in protein. I think the protein content is about 22%. I know that because I'm actually a bit of a geek. I like to research all these things, and also because I'm vegan, so I have to make sure that I'm able to supplement my protein intake with plant-based protein. So anyway, let me show you up close how it looks.
Cowpea leaves are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin A, C and K. They also have minerals like iron, calcium and magnesium. Besides the high protein content, they are really good for fibre. They have a lot of fibre and they are actually delicious and perfect for adding to meals.
So these are dry cowpea leaves. I always keep them in a tight container. I wish you could actually smell this because it smells so good. So I make sure that I keep it in a tight container because I want to make sure that it's still dry and crisp before I actually cook it, and also just to preserve everything, the flavor, the aroma, everything. Just, yeah, it's so good. Oh, for sure, smells so nice. I'm going to cook it how we normally cook it, because I'm not going to put too many spices. I want it exactly as we cook it in Zimbabwe.
The first step is actually to soak them in water, and then after that we can just go ahead and cook them. These leaves are rich in antioxidants which help to neutralise harmful free radicals in the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and so forth. One of the minerals that are found in cowpea leaves is iron, which is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the prevention of anemia. So cowpea leaves are an excellent source of iron, especially for individuals with iron deficiency. The high vitamin C content in cowpea leaves helps to strengthen the immune system, protecting the body against infection and illnesses. They are also a good source of vitamin K, which plays a key role in bone health by aiding calcium absorption and promoting bone mineralization. Oh, tongue twister. Bone mineralization. Oh my goodness. Mineralization. Being low in calories and rich in fiber means that cowpea leaves can help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. In Zimbabwe, cowpea leaves are commonly used in traditional dishes. They add a unique flavor and texture to dishes while providing nutritional benefits.
After soaking it, we're going to cook it just for a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll fry an onion and tomatoes and just add it, and it's just simple. I'm not going to add any spices because I want it to be authentically how we make it in our village. All we just need is just an onion and some tomatoes, and that's it. So keep it as authentic as possible. So let's get cooking. So now that this has been soaking for a while, I am just going to pick it and cook it for a few minutes. This is how I normally wash it, and just to make sure that there's no dust in it or anything like that. So I let everything settle in the bottom. So I'm just going to pick it nicely and cook it for a few minutes. you can see, the water is still quite green, so there's a lot of nutrients that are actually in this. And sometimes you'll find that there's a bit of soil or dust at the bottom when when it's been washed, which is quite normal. If you know anything about how we prepare this, it's quite normal to actually have a bit of soil underneath. But anyway, if there was any dust or soil, it's probably settled at the bottom. So I am going to try and take just a little bit of water, just from the top if I can, just to make sure that I'm still getting all those nutrients. So to pour it out gently just to make sure that I'm getting what I need. And if you feel like it's got a lot of soil, you can always just use fresh water, but I prefer to actually use the same water because I want to have all those benefits. And my mum actually prepared this, and I know what she's like, so it's very likely that there's hardly anything at the bottom. But to be on the safe side, after picking it like that and putting it in your pot, just use fresh water. But I trust that it's actually fine. So while that's cooking, I am just going to prepare this. Just chop my onion and my tomatoes, and this is only going to cook for like 10-15 minutes. So now that this is cooked, I am going to prepare the onion and tomatoes. And some people actually do this as a one pot recipe. At this point, they've actually added a bit of oil and then add the tomatoes and the onion together at the same time and just cook it, as a one pot kind of recipe. But I am actually going to do it slightly different.
absolutely delicious. Honestly, I could have this every single day. You can actually add some peanut butter to it if you wanted to, so you can cook it in so many different ways.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment, guys. You know I love reading all your comments, and I read every single comment. So please leave a comment, and see you in the next one.